Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer or move Microsoft Authenticator to a new phone. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, what you have to do is you have to open your Microsoft Authenticator. You can see over here Microsoft Authenticator is open. Make sure you're logged into your account. You have to tap on these three bars in the left corner and then you will see this option here, settings. Tap on this settings here. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see several settings options. Find the option for cloud backup. Toggle the button right next to cloud. You can see over here account credentials has been backed up. You can see a recovery email over here. Now tap on the OK button. Now what you have to do is open Microsoft Authenticator in your new phone. Then there you will be able to see the option for restore from backup. All you have to do is tap on it. Then log into your Microsoft account using the same credentials. After that, you will get notification in your phone. All you have to do is tap on Got It. Then the app will start restoring. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to transfer and move Microsoft Authenticator to a new phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.